practical manifestation involves using layer masks and selective color adjustments to make the non-subject more visually dominant without making it literally louder. It becomes a presence through refinement rather than volume. This approach proves particularly powerful in images where the composition already contains strong negative space and where the narrative might benefit from the subject feeling contextually embedded rather than heroically isolated, creating images that possess a meditative quality or a sense of scale and environment that straightforward subject enhancement would obliterate.